Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the best blender bottles. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, smoothie lover, or simply looking for convenience, we've got you covered. Subscribe to our channel for expert reviews, insightful tips, and recommendations. Don't forget to like, comment, and share to spread the knowledge. Number 1. BlenderBall Strata Shaker Cup, an absolute game changer for anyone on the go. This insulated stainless steel water bottle, boasting a generous 24-ounce capacity, is a sleek, modern solution for your hydration needs. The innovative wire whisk effortlessly blends even the thickest ingredients, ensuring smooth shakes every time. Its double-wall insulation keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours, perfect for those long days at work or intense gym sessions. The secure, twist-on lid and flip cap make it leak-proof and convenient for travel. Plus, its stylish black design adds a touch of sophistication to your daily routine. Say goodbye to clumpy protein shakes and lukewarm beverages. The BlenderBall Strata is here to elevate your hydration game. Number 2. Helimix 2.0 Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle, a game changer in the world of shaker cups. Crafted in the USA with meticulous attention to detail, this innovative bottle holds up to 28 ounces of your favorite beverages, from pre-workout mixes to protein shakes and even cocktails. What sets it apart? Say goodbye to clunky blending balls and messy whisks. The Helimix 2.0 utilizes vortex blending technology to effortlessly mix your drinks to perfection. Its sleek design not only ensures a smooth blend, but also makes it top rack safe for easy cleaning. Whether you're looking to amp up your workout routine or simply enjoy a delicious shake on the go, the Helimix 2.0 Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle is your ultimate companion for all your mixing needs. Number 3. Zon Gym Electric Protein Shaker Bottle, the ultimate companion for fitness enthusiasts. This 24-ounce USB rechargeable blender bottle takes your protein shakes to the next level. Crafted with BPA-free tritan material, it ensures safety while blending your favorite protein mixes. With its portable design, you can enjoy your shakes on the go, whether at the gym, office, or outdoor adventures. The blender replacement parts make maintenance hassle-free, while the USB rechargeable feature eliminates the need for batteries. Say goodbye to clumpy shakes and hello to smooth, perfectly blended goodness. Whether you're a gym buff or a casual fitness enthusiast, the Zon Gym Electric Protein Shaker Bottle is a must-have for your fitness arsenal. Number 4. BlenderBall Shaker Bottle Pro Series, a game changer for fitness enthusiasts. Whether you're whipping up protein shakes or pre-workout concoctions, this 24-ounce bottle in sleek black ensures you're fueled up and ready to crush your fitness goals. The Pro Series boasts a robust design, featuring a patented mixing system that effortlessly blends even the thickest ingredients with ease, leaving you with smooth, clump-free drinks every time. Its convenient carrying loop and ergonomic flip cap make it perfect for on-the-go use, ensuring you never miss a beat in your active lifestyle. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, saving you time and hassle. Elevate your fitness routine with the BlenderBall Shaker Bottle Pro Series and experience the ultimate in convenience and performance. Number 5. BlenderBall Sport Mixer Shaker Bottle, a game changer for your fitness routine. Designed to perfection, this 20-ounce marvel in sleek black is your ultimate companion for mixing protein shakes and pre-workout supplements. The Sport Mixer's ingenious design ensures lump-free, smooth blends every time, thanks to its patented BlenderBall wire whisk. Its durable Eastman tritan plastic construction makes it virtually indestructible, while the flip cap and secure screw-on lid prevent leaks and spills, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. The Sport Grip trademark offers a secure hold, even in sweaty hands during intense workouts. Whether you're at the gym, in the office, or on the go, The BlenderBall Sport Mixer Shaker Bottle is the perfect fusion of style, functionality, and durability, ensuring you never miss a beat in your fitness journey. In conclusion, selecting the best blender bottle comes down to personal preference and specific needs. Whether you prioritize durability, versatility, or portability, there's a perfect option out there for you. Remember to consider factors like material, capacity, and special features when making your decision. We hope this guide has provided valuable insights to aid your choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content, and be sure to like and share this video with others who might benefit from it.